Okay, K9. Yeah, I just see this here. ICP looks sexy in your opinion. Let's have a look. It looks good, to be honest. Just want to zoom out here. Very like down 99%. Obviously, which is crazy. I'm still holding some ICP. I'm at a loss. I think I'm up. I don't know. I don't know where I am. I need to check it out. I didn't buy down here, but this could be the first major low. If we stop hunt these lows at a later date, I will add to my position. So if we do this and come down here at a later date and time, or wherever, in a few months' time, I will add below these lows, okay, and that'll bring my average right down. Now, if we bounce up to my break even, wherever that is it $8? Is it, I don't know. I totally forget where it is. Definitely at a loss, but I will be happy to add on new lows below this low here. If it gets up here, I may sell half of my position, or even all of it if it gets back to break even, and then look to re-add it on new lows down here. Will we get new lows? Well, time will tell. I'm not sure, but you can see that this was down 99.4%. So that's where I got caught off guard, because obviously it went down the most in the entire market, and yeah, it is what it is. But I think my average is still 98 or 90, close to 99 or something. I forget. Well, where is that? Where's 98? Oh, 98 is way up here. So it's 98 something probably. Anyway, 98.5 somewhere there, which is like $8.50. So you would think you're doing all right if you had an average of 98.5 down. I'm guessing here what I have, but obviously not. It went down 99.4%. So I will add to my position or sell it if we get up there. But in the meantime, it is working at daily apex. It is trying to build up. There's a small breakout in volume here. RSI is looking the most bullish it has probably ever been. Let's see down here. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's a bit of a breakout here, and we're clearly, obviously, above the 55 level. We're up here. We're doing very well. Dips on this can still be buying opportunities. So the dip down here, that can still hold, and we can continue to hold up here. Obviously we need to see if that holds, but this is the first time in its history it's got a chance of being bullish. So when you were saying you think it looks good, the RSI is also saying that, and you can see that there's a deviation there, but you can also see down here, is it a bullish yearly stop hunt? No, it's not a yearly. Okay, but it's a beautiful bullish stop hunt. Now I put a buyout down here when this stop hunted somewhere down here, and it has gone up very nicely from there. I didn't add to my position actually, because this was a trade at that time. I should have added, so I did slip up on that. I had a lot of exposure on the market, and the market was still dropping, so I chose not to add. But I'm still sitting pretty good. I didn't buy any coins until they were down 94, 95, 96, 97, 98% down. So my averages are all fairly good at this point. As long as crypto doesn't die, all my coins should be okay. So anyway, I like this here for a couple of reasons, and I like the fact that the white 100 is now underneath price, and that's going to kind of come round. Oh, that's going to come round here. And we're going to start building out this little bit of an apex. So even dips here can still be buying opportunities for moves higher at this point. I also really like that the 3-day, the pinch is starting to happen here. You can see that the apex is starting to develop, but that's miles away. Okay, so we're not even looking at the apex, but we'll focus on this here. There's a bit of a pinch starting to happen, and this can be bullish. You can come up here and consolidate and actually get a breakout of that. You would probably have to target these highs at least. I wouldn't say at least. I would probably say that there's going to be a lower high than this. I don't think we're taking out that high. If we come up here, it's probably going to drop away again, and we'll round out a bit before, maybe later taking it out or something. But I just don't see this high getting taken out this soon in this rounding out bottom or whatever. That is technically a bearish 2-week stop hunt here, but when you break up here, it is pretty normal to be kind of consolidating up here. So definitely need to watch for more action. I like the little BART backup. The monthly here, monthly is very good. You know, most of the market is having a green month, and there's 14 days left. So I don't think most of the market's going to flip red on the month. So you know, we need to continue to be bullish this month, and then next month, obviously, we need to watch to see if we flip red, like we did here. You can see that you know, it was a nice green candle, and it's the next month that you most likely need to be worried about. At this point, it looks good, and a lot of the market looks like it wants to do this and have a second green month up higher. This here on ICP was an absolutely beautiful doji, right? Absolutely beautiful bottoming doji, and you can see that there's a bit of a deviation there as well, a bit of a stop hunt, right, off this beautiful, beautiful candle. I mean, look at the entire downtrend, and you get this on a stop hunt on a doji. I mean, it's very, very nice. That can be a long-term bottom. It's possible.